Alright, time for a writing lesson for this week. Last week we learned all about beginning and middle of our stories, and now it's time for us to look at the end of the story. So let's remind ourselves of what makes up a story. So the beginning. In the beginning, we learn who the characters are and where's the setting, so where does it take place. In the middle of the story, we found out what happens to the characters, or what is the problem. What problem are they running into? So you had to watch our gingerbread man story and tell me what happened to the gingerbread man. This week you're going to watch a read aloud book called Rex Rexit, and your job is to tell me, how did the character solve the problem? How did they come up with a solution to the problem that was happening in the story? All right. I would also like you to tell me who the characters are, the setting, if you can identify it. It might be a bit tricky in this story, but for sure you can do the characters. What happens to the characters? So what's the problem that they're having? And how do they solve it? So I've added the link. I want you to write all of that in your journal. Okay, so you need to tell me what happens at the beginning, who the characters are, what's the problem, and how do they solve it in the story. All of that goes into your journal. I can't wait to see what you think. Bye-bye.